Apart from being a coach, you become a father because abanye babuya from some families othola ukuthi umntwana is going through something and you've got to go beyond being a coach. Awusithatha usifake esithombeni ngale ndaba ye fatherhood apart from being a coach.
You know, one thing that helps me, I think, I'm not blowing my own horn. You know, being a teacher, I'm the principal at school. So being that, it helps me to go deeper into the understanding of these kids and being trained in methods on how to do this. And knowing their background, helping them with whatever that might be troubling them for them not to focus. So those are the things that I think maybe working with the kids, my life is working with kids from when they are still young up until they are old like this. So that becomes, I think it's a contributing factor. If you see the success, there's a lot of them, a lot of players that have been helping, that I'm nurturing them to the greater heights. I think it goes without saying that it helps to be in class or being trained as a teacher and you'll be able to connect with these kids. I think that is the most important thing. Know their backgrounds, know where they come from, and help them through and through, because it's our calling. We are here just to help them.
And coach singabuyela emuva because nabantu abafana nabo Andile Tjali ubenaso isandla omunye ukubona la kubafana abancane, but awuthathe nje umuntu obukile coach umfake nje isithombeni sokuthi guys, these are some of the guys I've worked with previously obabona kulo kubhethiweyo babona bedlala le.
Hey, the list is endless. Lento Ekale, I think maybe the one that will come to your mind where everyone knows him is only Rato Shabangu. Rato Shabangu, I found him at the school level and I coached him at the national team before he can even join PSL. Abo Andile to Coca-Cola and all of these are players, like I said, the list is endless. There's too many of them. I've started way back with these players. Abom Tutus, these are fresh ones. These are the ones that are just coming now. Abom Tutus, Abo Tuba. These are the new ones that are coming now. But we come a long way with this development and with this identifying of players and helping them through and through. I mean, if you look at PSL now, most of those players that are there, I have my fingerprint on them. I've identified them. I've coached them from national teams, from school level, from the club. And honestly speaking, there's a lot of them. And we are not new. That is why I said it is not because of me. I think it's God who has given me this talent of identifying these boys and seeing these boys grow. And as to what they do later on, when I'm not around, it's for them to get it right. And I'm happy that most of them are doing so well. The few that are not doing well, but we always remember that there's that man. He was our father, and I'll remain their father forever.
Coach, there's something you said, this is a Hammersdale 2022. Uti, whenever a team ifuni player, I don't want the team to break the bank. Those were your words.
That's exactly what I said. I remember saying that these boys are going to dominate PSL.
You said that, Coach.
I said that.
And we saw some of these boys scoring is all coming from this league.
You know, it has been there. You can tell that we cannot go to the market and look for the players when South Africa is so blessed with the talent. Look at the under-17 going to the World Cup now. Those boys, I don't see them playing in South Africa. I see them staying in overseas. And there's more that we still need to go and unearth and get them and bring them to the course as well. But I think I'm happy. I can only say thank you, God, for the talent that He has given to me to identify those boys. But how can I forget that I'm working for this big team of the big men, because we are doing all of this for our Dr. Mtaung. And I think we must appreciate what he has done for football in the country, for football in Africa and in the world. Who doesn't know him? And doing it for the supporters and doing it for everybody that follows Kaizer Chiefs and the national team as well. So I think we are there. Look at DDC, he's dominating PSL. Look at the players that are playing week in, week out. It's DDC players. So something that you are doing it right. And let's focus on what we are doing it right and forget about the negatives.
And Coach, last time masikhuluma ukhulume ngama-development coaches under 13, 17, 19, uthi yichain emnandi le.
Look, one will not be naive or be proud to say I have done it. I don't like I. But if you look at our structure, we have Coach Bamji, we have Coach Jimmy, we have Coach Sidiso, we have Coach David, Coach Ace, and the staff room people, Sarita being there, Sia being there. And when you go out, you go to the youth coaches out there from different clubs, from different teams. You then say they have done so well. They are making our lives very easy to go to choose players for national team and so forth. You cannot do it on your own. That is why I don't like the I. I like to
the teamwork.
Teamwork. The we part helps us to say it's a combination of all of us, youth coaches, development coaches, grassroots coaches, and elite coaches until it gets to the professionals.
Coach ngeke siqede namhlanje siqeda ngelanga uphakamisa ikhapha kodwa ngiyafisa ukwazi ucoach uvela ubuyaphi kahle kahle umntungu umbulazi umashobana.
I was mina bathi inkosi ayiqede. Originally I was born in Kronstadt.
Ubuye Kronstadt okay original.
Originally, I was born in Kronstadt, Buitumelo Hospital. Then we moved to Kwakwa in the Free State. Then that's where I attended all my schoolings.
Okay.
I went to the college there. I went to the university there, and I started working.
Which university?
Back then they were calling it Uniqua, but now it's the University of Free State.
Ay yabona ke manje mangenza varsity football sengiyosho ngithi ubaba uvela uphuma la.
Ya ngibuya khona, ngibuya lapho.
Okay.
I'm from that university, and I then moved to this side because I was coaching the national team squads for the schools.
For the schools.
Yeah, then it all started there. Then I worked at Tuks. I was a coach there for 2 seasons at Tuks, and then I moved. I came to the other side, Safa, and it's a lot of things. Then the qualifications A and all of that took me to the national teams, and too many things that I think I have achieved in my career. Winning, I think I cannot forget about winning as Bafana Bafana head coach together with Coach Morena, winning COSAFA, and winning COSAFA with under 17 as a national coach, and qualifying now for the World Cup as a national coach. Winning Shield with the club with Kaizer Chiefs, and winning the league now as the head coach, and a lot of things.
Coach ngeke siqede but engikuzwayo ubaba uvela is at peace.
No, I'm at peace. I'm in good space. If these kids are happy, I'm equally happy, and if everyone is happy or because of me, then I'm at peace.
Mqeqeshi siyabonga kakhulu ngesikhathi sakho nokuthi njalo nje masicela uthobeke coach uvele sithobeke kakhulu siyabonga mqeqeshi.
Bonga mina mfowethu.
Thank you, Bhuti.